going to be here to see it, but they're going to go into bondage under people that they're not of. But after 400 years, I'm going to bring them out with great substance. Lift your hands and shout hallelujah. Yes, God can do anything. So he brings Joseph and them into Egypt. They grow up and they go into bondage. But the more that they were afflicted, the more they begin to multiply. Your affliction is your increase. I don't have time to preach that. But after a while, Moses was born. And Moses was drawn out because he had to be the one that would bring the children of Israel out of Egypt. Take me back down. Yes, yes, yes. And so after 40 years, you would think now he's young, he's strong, he's smart now, he's got his wits about him. It's time to bring the children out. But he was 40 years old when God said, I've got to take you to the backside of the desert and train you about life. And after 40 more years, he was 80 years old when God said, nah, I'm ready for you to go in, because when you bring them out, it's going to be by my power and not by yours. And so he brought the children of Israel out. They wandered in the wilderness for 40 years until Moses smote the rock. And God said, follow me up to the mountain. I'm making a change in leadership. And he said, Joshua, my servant Moses is dead. I want you to arise and get ready to take this people over Jordan into the land that I promised them. This book of the law shall not depart out of your mouth, but you're going to meditate